We got up at 4 a.m. today to get up to Deltaville. It is 6:30 and we're heading out. Beautiful sunrise going on. Pretty excited. Hopefully you can hear me over the droning of the motor. About to go into the channel. It's pretty glassy out here. I mean, there's some ripples happening now, but she doesn't have much wind, which is better than the small craft advisory that was supposed to be in effect until 10 a.m. But here we are. 40 nautical miles to go. Let's do it. Check out my new compass. Haha! Like a real boat. Wing on wing, baby. Finally sailing, got some breeze behind us. Pretty much going dead downwind. Whoop! Rigged a little preventer there, so I don't have to be too particular. Got some rolling seas from the storms yesterday. Nothing too bad. It's probably giving us more speed. So that's nice. But yeah. Cruising along at 4 knots, nothing to it. Kind of disappeared for a while there, so I started the motor back up, and apparently that's how you get your wind back. It shifted to coming from the west, and it's blowing a lot harder than earlier. We're regularly getting up to 7 knots. I lowered the keel once it started blowing like this. My first time sailing with the keel down. Yeah, she's doing good. Getting to know her better, getting to trust her more. Some water's getting in. I'm not sure where. I'll have to figure that out sometime. But yeah, moving. Well, we're already on the last leg. I don't know if you can see much. We're beam reaching our way down. The wind had slowed back down for a while, and now we're back moving again. Sorry, trying to focus on my waypoint. Steering for green up there. But yeah, this feels like it's gone by pretty quick. I'm surprised. Our new home. Going back to Deltaville Marina. It's not as nice of a marina as Deltaville. It's a lot closer to our house. So here we are. Now I'm gonna see if I can figure out how to get into fixed piers. I've never used them, but I watched some YouTube videos, so I should be good to go, right? Cool, guys. I'll let you know how it goes.